We recognize that when our clients are starting down the process of looking to have their siding replaced, windows and doors replaced, or any sort of project in their home, it can be a little scary to understand or know, hey, is this contractor really qualified for what they do? And what I would tell you, this is coming from my 24 years of experience as a contractor, around contractors, also working directly for James Hardie Building Products, where my entire role was to meet with contractors around the entire Midwest. And so you got to see a lot of the good and the bad. And what I would tell you is, in general, most contractors try to be everything to everyone. And I don't think it's necessarily because they think they're so great at everything. It's more about like more projects, more money, more paycheck. And so what I challenge my clients is, hey, whatever you're looking to do, find a contractor that's an absolute specialist in that area. So it's pretty clear usually with my clients that we are very, very good when it comes to James Hardie siding products, as well as Provia windows and doors. But they'll ask me, hey, Mark, are you willing to look at quoting a deck for us? And I'll say respectfully, no. We don't do decking. It's not that our team wouldn't be capable of producing a deck for you, but we want to stay very much in our lane and be the absolute best at what we offer and what we provide. And so I think that is a key thing that most homeowners and our potential clients should be looking into, is do your homework, do your research. Just because a contractor says, hey, we offer James Hardie siding, that doesn't necessarily mean they do it every single day. It's not illegal for any contractor to say we do James Hardie siding on their website, and they might do one project a year. Whereas we have our full-time teams, and that's what they do every single day is James Hardie siding, and then we do Provia windows and doors. And so I think it's very important, especially today, when there's so many generalized contractors out there, is do your due diligence. Go ahead and get multiple bids, but really try to stick with contractors that know their lane, can speak very clearly and very much in depth about the products and services that you're looking to have done on your home, versus that kind of vagueness and more of the, here, let me give you a low price, sign here, and make sure that you're choosing someone who is genuinely an expert and specialist in that product and service, so that you can get it done one time, have a great, enjoyable experience, and then never have to worry about it again.